Hey, what's up guys, it's Banu here from Andro.com and this is the Huawei Watch GT that I've already made my full review on. The reason why I'm actually making this video is because last night Huawei actually pushed out a major update to the Huawei Watch GT that actually enhanced the experience with regards to watch faces. So I think Huawei pushed out this update because of the launch of the all new Huawei P30 Pro that I have over here. So let me show you what's new. So if I open up the Huawei Health app and go into the Huawei Watch GT section over here, now you will see that there is a new section over here called Watch Faces, and when I hit on more, we can actually go ahead and download new watch faces for the Watch GT. And also there is a new category called Mine, and under this category all the watch faces that are already installed onto the Watch GT are also displayed here. So for an example, in my review I mentioned that the heart rate is one of my favorite watch faces. So if I want to set that as the default, I can easily do that from there. This functionality has been added newly, and whenever I change the watch face, it will affect on the watch. So that is pretty useful. Before we actually didn't have this section, and best part is now we have a recommended section with new watch faces. So for an example, this is a new watch face that I really like. So if I set this as the default watch face, now if I check the watch, we have this cool new watch face. Check this out. So this new watch face actually has the date over here, the clock is over here, we have the steps, the battery life, as well as the heart rate. So along with that, we now have the option of downloading other watch faces that we like. So let's say for an example, I like this digital one. I can easily go ahead and hit on the install button and it will get downloaded like this. So it will actually take some time to get downloaded. Some of these watch faces are quite heavy. So once the install is completed, we can go ahead and use it on our watch. So this is one step towards adding in third-party watch support. Hopefully Huawei will actually go ahead and add third-party watch support to the Huawei Watch GT, like I suggested in my full review of the Huawei Watch GT. So that way we can have more options, because as of the date that I reviewed the Watch GT, there were only 14 watch faces that were available. Now with the launch of these new watch faces, we have a bunch of watch faces to pick from, so that's good. And hopefully we'll have customizable watch faces in the future as well. So I just wanted to bring you guys this quick little update. So the install has been completed for this watch face that we put to download. So now it has been set as the default, and now if I have a look at the watch, you can see that we have the new watch face. Apart from that, the functionality is still the same. We still have all of the other functions that are already there, that were already there on the Watch GT. So if you guys want to know more about the Huawei Watch GT, definitely go ahead and check out my full review of the Watch GT, as well as the tips video that I've already made, so that you can make the maximum out of your Huawei watch in case if you have one. So let me know what you guys think about this update. I just want to update you guys on this new feature, because it's a major thing in my opinion. Hopefully Huawei will add custom watch faces in the future as well. So just wanted to bring you guys this update. Definitely go ahead and subscribe now if you found this video useful, so that you can get more awesome tech videos in the future as well. And definitely go ahead and follow me on social media. I am at Andro Dollar. All the links are given down below in the description. And stay tuned to Andro.com for all the latest from the tech world. Until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.